Newport. Vegetarian selection. Oh, looks so good. Me, poor boy, don't go for me. Express tickets. Let's see. Choose language. Sorry. You work here?
Yeah.
You work here? Oh, so to get tickets, you just
This ticket you buy already?
No.
Or you can buy if which one want
Oh, you can
want to
move
see?
it.
Yes.
Michael Jackson, that's the one I
Michael
want to see.
Jackson and this one, right?
7 o'clock.
Okay.
And how much is the ticket?
Today start around 200 baht. I can check again. Okay, 200 baht and 180 baht.
Okay, depends on where you sit.
Huh?
So where's premium seats?
Premium seat is A, B, C.
Oh, ABC,
Yes.
in front. I don't like to sit in front anywhere. What is the seat? Is the chair different?
Like a position.
Same chair, or it's just
Not
in
same.
front?
A little bit.
It's just in the front.
Yeah, different a little bit.
Okay, so
But
no different. If I was here,
here is
180.
skin. Huh? Are you okay?
huh?
Skin here.
Oh, the screen is here.
Yes. This back side.
Oh, so I don't. In the back is more expensive than the front.
Yes.
Okay. So there, let me see here. That's 180.
Yes.
180. So D. Let me see. C.
See?
Oh, so you can
Same
go
thing.
see same.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So if I wanted to sit
This one
here,
is premium is 200 baht.
oh why?
Yes.
Oh,
ABC
it's
is
premium.
premium.
Oh, ABC is premium.
Yes.
Okay, so D is 180. That's just 20 more baht anyway. So, but this is the back of the theater. The
Yes.
back.
This back. This
Screen is here.
So it's sofa. It's
Yeah.
this height.
Sofa.
Yes. Sofa.
2 people.
2 people. One price. One price, 2 people.
Okay. I've never been in here, so that's why I was asking. Because I've been in Thailand almost 2 years and I never go to the movies.
Oh. You
That's
can-
because Thai ladies don't like movies. They say, no. I said, let's go movie. That's for baby.
Baby.
I said, well, it's not for baby.
Not for baby.
You like movies?
Yes, I like movie. I work with the movie.
Yeah, sit, watch a movie, get you
Yes.
popcorn,
Yes.
relax.
Yes.
This is beautiful. So I don't need to buy the ticket though. I can buy the ticket when I come back at 7 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah.
7 o'clock. I just wanted to see. And this right here, take credit card,
Any?
anything.
Yes.
Kapung kap. Popcorn, 450. Caramel and original. Tuesday, Ladies Day, get one free game. Man, we got that off. Nice, Sawadee Kap. I've never been in the bowling alley. In America, I bowl, but never in Thailand. So it's at 180 baht a game. And how about shoes? Oh, 50 baht. Oh yeah, the price changed. I went online, it said 40 baht. That's old price. New price, 50 baht. So that's 100. $280 a game. Well, once you get the shoes, you know, this is just the game. Just the game per person. Game. But do you have to get socks and shoes? Or you have to?
If you will not have socks, you buy
Oh, but if you have socks, you buy shoes.
yes, let's shoes.
Do you have to buy shoes or you can use sneakers?
Sneaker cannot.
Cannot.
Only shoes.
Only shoes.
Yes, only.
Oh, okay. All right. So today is Ladies' Day. Get one free. Get one free for today, ladies. This is CF Strike Bowling. It's in Central Pattaya, in the mall. Thank you. You want to see yourself? I have YouTube. You want my YouTube? Check. Newark, that's the name, Newark Kid. You hold the camera, let me see.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
This is Strike Bowling. Sweaty Cop. Oh, they have 46 too. They have my size at 12, 46. They go all the way up to 14. So they have shoes. Ice cream. They have beer. Have drink beer. We got some food here. Got Shanghai, Smirnoff. How much is a beer?
Huh?
How much is a beer? Beer, Corona, Leo.
164 baht.
164 baht. 164 baht for Corona. Got pool table. Got a VIP bowl. This is all right. You guys ready to come to Thailand? They got some things for you to do. Space and time. I don't know what this is. Space and time. Space and time. Don't actually know what this is. Space and time. They have jumping. Jumping. I think that's like the same jumping they have in America. This is pretty cool, guys. All right, guys. I think that's it. I'm gonna shut this down. Peace. Subscribe to the channel. I'll show you guys more Thailand. We're actually, right now we're in Pattaya, the Central Mall.
She doesn't text me at all.